Powerful computer tricks you didn't know exist. Save this video for later and share it with a friend. First, go to your search bar and type in Control Panel. Then click on it. Go to System Security, then Security and Maintenance. Expand on Maintenance and click on Start Maintenance. This will run security scans, perform disk cleanup to free up space, optimize disk drives, and address system issues to keep your computer running smoothly and securely. Now on your keyboard, click the Window button plus R. Then type in Prefetch in the Run box. Click on OK. Select all these files, right-click on them and click on Delete. If there are some that can't be deleted, just click on Skip. This will get rid of temporary files that your PC doesn't need and will make your PC much faster. If you find this video helpful, you can support what I do with the link in my bio.